Bob Deeks with RDC Fine Homes. I am up at our Emerald Estates BC Energy Step Code 4 house today. We have AirTight Solutions here to perform the aero barrier air tightness system. And let's go on inside. We'll have a look at the house. Installation was completed last week by Greer Spray Form. And the AirTight boys here are just setting up. We'll go inside and talk a little bit about what they're going to do here.
Hi, I'm Jan from AirTight Solutions, and today what we did was seal a house from 4.8 air changes at 50 pascals down to 0.8 air change at 50 pascals. And how we did that is basically set up a whole bunch of spray nozzles in the house, fog the entire house under pressure, and then it finds all the little holes and seals them up. And then after about, 2 hours or so, we achieved our target.
All right, that's awesome. And how many buckets of sealant did you use?
On this project, we used less than one 5-gallon bucket.
And how does that compare?
That is actually really good.
All right, so the RDC framing team did a pretty good job on getting her sealed up to start with.
They did, yeah.
All right, that's awesome. Thanks, Jan. Great job. Looking forward to the next one coming up shortly.
You bet. Thanks, Bob.
All right. So inside the house, AirTight is complete with the air barrier system. And our number one goal in bringing AirTight Solutions onto the site is to ensure that we meet our air tightness goal of getting down below 1 air change per hour. And we really think that the aero barrier system is the best possible complement to our BASF wall assembly here. You can see the purple foam in the walls back there. That is our strategy to make sure that we have really good thermal performance, gives us our energy efficiency in our walls and our ceiling, and also ensures that the house is draft free. And then aero barrier comes in and it seals up all those little nooks and crannies to make sure that the thermal performance in the walls is complemented by a really airtight assembly. And so boys took about half a day to apply the aerated latex sealant and have got us down to about 0.9 air changes once all the tape and protection was removed. So very confident that when the house is done, we should hit our energy step code goal of step code 4. And 1 air change per hour really helps us in getting that goal in a cost-effective, economic way. So shout out to the AirTight guys. Great job today. Looking forward to drywall starting on Wednesday.